Hello everyone, this is Eddie at the Group B doing a video now on our 2008 997.1 turbo. This is a 997.1 2008 6-speed manual, finished on white with cocoa brown interior. Very unique car, very low mileage, all original paint, paint meter verified, 22,000 miles. Car was bought out of California. Super clean. Very cool spec. Car comes on the stock 997 turbo wheels. The wheels that are on the car right now are available for purchase for $5,000 in addition to the purchase price of the vehicle. Car's got Sharkworks intake. It's got a throttle body, a tune, and a Tubi exhaust. It's lowered on springs, rides phenomenally. It's in really nice condition. Has a PPF on the front clip, so that would be half the hood, the bumper, and then you also have PPF on the side view mirrors. This is a Sport Chrono car. Clean Carfax, clean title. Got a clean California title. All original paint again. Really neat car. Very cool spec. You don't see them quite that often with the white and cocoa brown interior. We'll go ahead and we'll do a drive-in video right now and see how she does. Here we go. Alright, we're doing the driving portion of the video for the 997 turbo. Car is stock clutch. Everything inside works the way it should. It's got ice cold AC. Got heated seats. It's a Sport Chrono car. Right now, the only warning light that's on is the TPMS light. We right now have the GT3 wheels on the car, so those don't have the TPMS sensors. Other than that, you can see all the gauges working perfectly. The navigation screen and everything here functions as well. Of course, you're in 2008, so it's the old school style GPS. A warm summer day in Miami. Temperatures are dead center all across. Exhaust sounds really good with the Tubi exhaust, the high flow cats. Definitely get a lot of turbo noise. Alright, we're going to go ahead and do a wide open throttle pull so you can see how she does. That was second gear pull.